Hello, I'm Kwon Woo-joong. People always tell me that my standards are impossibly high. Creativity is sparked when you pay attention to your most basic instincts: seeing, listening, and tasting. That is why I will embark on a journey to Andong, a city where the past, present, and future all exist together. Just like Andong, I preserve past traditions, but I'm not afraid to embrace new ideas. Surrounded by delicious food and colorful culture heritage, the city always inspired me. Andong soju is a traditional alcoholic beverage that best represents the ancient Korean kingdom of Silla. 이유입니다 is a homebrewed rice wine produced by Dongam House, an iconic culture center in Andong. I will prepare some dishes that reflect 권숙수의 philosophy that pair well. In these dishes, I use chucked hand beef from Andong to present traditional Korean beef tartar in 3 flavors. Next, I'm making a glutinous rice yam pancake that accentuates the pure and natural flavor of the liquor. I will keep exploring new territories and travel wherever my feet may take me, because the best inspiration can only come to you if you do the legwork. It is my wish that you can also find the sources of inspiration and fuel your imagination in this beautiful city, Andong.